Yizumi Group, founded in China, is setting up a new factory in Sanand, Gujarat. This gigantic premises is set to accommodate 300 workers and covers an area of 28,000 square meter, which demands for the excellent high-volume, low-speed ventilation systems in order to protect their workers from the hot climate of Gujarat. Marut, being a pioneer in HVLS solution, was given the opportunity to cater this demand. Marut, with its expertise and the position of advanced technology in the HVLS space, catered this demand with 28 PMSM Tech HVLS fans and finished installation in the record time.
Thank you to Marut Air for good delivery and for the good quality of industrial fans. Yizumi also we can make a good comfortable environment for our staff.
And we personally recommend all the multinational companies who want to set up their manufacturing unit and HVLS fan to go with Marut Air.
After the installation of 28 PMSM fans, factory premises did notice a change in atmosphere with cool and breezy air flowing all around. Take a glimpse to the advanced PMSM technique ventilating the premises for Yizumi Group.